guys, 2018 Tacoma TRD Pro. This thing's got a bunch of extras on it. It is a rebuilt title. Damage was right in this area. Wrecked at 77,000 miles, has 85,000 miles on it now. You can see everything looks as it should. All kinds of lights. You know, that top light bar is like $1,900 alone. Good tires. Nice sliders on there, side steps. Let's start it up here for you. See those miles, 85,403. Does have the adaptive cruise. I've added the big screen here. Everything's controlled. Sorry, hard to see. Also has the button controls here. Blind spot monitors, wireless charging, power sliding glass, push a key. This has ARB locker, so this is the switch that you would use. I'll show you that when you get in the back, all the keys. This has all the covers for the lights on the roof. All your A-track and everything. I'm not sure how those work with ARB lockers, but one of the switches here. Turn on all the lights so you can see those. All-weather floor mats, VIN number, TRD badging, no sunroof. First aid kit, scratches through here. Cool rack to store all your gear. Stock shocks. Locker pump there. So I think you'll take that switch and plug it in there, hook up your airline, get it to work. Let's have this cover on there. All the fancy lights. Check out all our inventory at realdealauto.com, REEL.